Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe, where you will find a plethora of delicious recipes to tantalize your taste buds. Amongst the many dishes featured on this site, one that stands out is the chicken karahi. This dish hails from Pakistan and is a popular choice in many households. It's named after the cooking vessel, a karahi, which is used to prepare it. The karahi is a deep, wide, and heavy-bottomed pan, typically made of cast iron or stainless steel. The preparation of chicken karahi begins by marinating the chicken in a blend of yogurt, ginger, garlic, and a variety of spices such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. The chicken is then cooked in a karahi with tomatoes, onions, and green chilies until tender. The key to achieving the perfect chicken karahi is to cook it on high heat in a karahi. The high heat helps to caramelize the onions and tomatoes, imparting a rich flavor to the dish. The addition of fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies adds a fiery kick that is tempered by the yogurt, creating a balance of flavors. Chicken karahi is typically served with naan, a type of bread, or rice. It can be garnished with fresh coriander, thinly sliced ginger, or green chilies. This dish can be prepared in many ways, with some variations including the addition of cream or butter to make it richer. Some recipes even call for the use of bone-in chicken, which adds an extra depth of flavor to the dish. Whether you're a fan of spicy foods or prefer milder flavors, chicken karahi is a dish that will please a wide range of palates. It's easy to prepare and is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a dinner party. We hope you enjoy making this delicious dish as much as we do. So why not give it a try and experience the rich and vibrant flavors of chicken karahi? Introduction. 1. Chicken karahi is a popular dish from Pakistan, named after the cooking vessel it is prepared in, a karahi, which is a deep, wide, and heavy-bottomed pan made of cast iron or stainless steel. 2. The dish is made by marinating chicken in a blend of yogurt, ginger, garlic, and various spices before cooking it in a karahi with onions, tomatoes, and green chilies until tender. 3. The high heat used to cook the dish helps to caramelize the onions and tomatoes, creating a rich and flavorful base for the chicken. 4. Chicken karahi can be served with naan bread or rice and can be garnished with fresh coriander, ginger, or green chilies. 5. Variations of the dish include adding cream or butter for a richer flavor and using bone-in chicken for added depth of flavor. 5. Chicken karahi is an easy and delicious dish that can be enjoyed by a wide range of palates. Chicken karahi recipes Chef Mariam. If you're looking for a flavorful and easy-to-make dish that's perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a dinner party, look no further than Chef Mariam's chicken karahi recipe. This Pakistani dish is named after the cooking vessel it is prepared in, a karahi, and is known for its rich flavor and fiery kick. With a few simple ingredients and some basic cooking skills, you can create a delicious chicken karahi that's sure to impress. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1/2 cup plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. 2 medium-sized onions, sliced. 2 to 3 tomatoes, chopped. 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped. Fresh coriander, thinly sliced ginger, or green chilies for garnish. Instructions. 1. In a large bowl, combine the chicken, yogurt, ginger paste, garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, and salt. 1. Mix well and marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours in the refrigerator. 2. Heat the oil in a karahi or a deep, wide, and heavy-bottomed pan over high heat. 2. Add the sliced onions and sauté until they are golden brown. 3. Add the marinated chicken to the pan and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the chicken is cooked through and the liquid has evaporated. 4. Add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies and stir well. 4. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and the mixture is fragrant. 5. Garnish with fresh coriander, thinly sliced ginger, or green chilies, and serve hot with naan bread or rice. Tips. For a richer flavor, you can add 1/4 cup of cream or 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to the dish. You can also use bone-in chicken for added depth of flavor. Adjust the number of green chilies and red chili powder according to your preference for spiciness. Be sure to use a karahi or a heavy-bottomed pan that can withstand high heat to achieve the caramelization of onions and tomatoes and the authentic flavor of chicken karahi. Chef Mariam's chicken karahi recipe is a classic and easy-to-make dish that's perfect for any occasion. With its blend of yogurt, spices, and fiery kick from the green chilies, it's a dish that's sure to please a wide range of palates. Whether you're a fan of spicy foods or prefer milder flavors, this chicken karahi recipe is a must-try. So, head to your kitchen and make this delicious dish today. Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam's special, chicken karahi, as I do not have any specific details about this dish or the chef. However, I can provide some general information about chicken karahi, which is a popular dish in Pakistan and North India. Chicken karahi is a curry-like dish made with bone-in chicken pieces that are cooked in a tomato-based sauce with a variety of spices. The dish is named after the karahi, which is a type of work or cooking vessel that is commonly used in Pakistani and North Indian cuisine. The dish is typically served with naan, roti, or rice and is a favorite among both locals and tourists. The recipe for chicken karahi can vary depending on the region and individual preferences. Some variations of the dish include the addition of ginger, garlic, green chilies, and coriander leaves. The use of fresh ingredients such as tomatoes and spices such as cumin, turmeric, and red chili powder gives the dish a unique flavor and aroma. To prepare chicken karahi, the chicken is first marinated in a blend of spices and then fried in oil until golden brown. The sauce is then made by cooking onions, garlic, ginger, and tomatoes in the same pan as the chicken, along with additional spices. The dish is then simmered until the chicken is fully cooked and the sauce has thickened. In summary, chicken karahi is a popular dish in Pakistan and North India, made with bone-in chicken pieces that are cooked in a tomato-based sauce with a variety of spices. While I do not have any information about Chef Mariam's special version of the dish, it is likely that her version includes her own unique blend of spices and cooking techniques.